Welcome to LazyBud GK One-Liner, your smart stop for quick, easy, and powerful GK. Today's Class 8 is all about the post-Gupta period, the rise of new regional kingdoms, changing political structures, flourishing trade networks, cultural growth, religious developments, and the foundations of early medieval India. Let's get started. Section 1. Emergence of post-Gupta kingdoms, c. 550 CE 750 CE. Question 1. When did the post-Gupta period begin in Indian history? Answer. Around 550 CE, after the decline of the Gupta Empire. Question 2. What major factors caused the decline of the Gupta Empire before the post-Gupta period began? Answer. Hunna invasions, internal rebellions, and weak successors. Question 3. Which northern Indian kingdoms emerged during the post-Gupta period? Answer. The Pushyabhuti dynasty, Harshvardhana, and the Matrakas. Question 4. Which western Indian kingdoms became prominent in the post-Gupta period? Answer. The Gurjara Pratiharas and the Chalukyas of Badami. Question 5. Which southern Indian kingdoms gained importance during the post-Gupta period? Answer. The Pallavas, Chalukyas of Vatapi, and later the Rashtrakutas. Question 6. Which eastern Indian kingdom rose to power during the post-Gupta period? Answer. The Pala dynasty in Bengal and Bihar. Question 7. Who founded the Pala dynasty in the post-Gupta period? Answer. Gopala. Question 8. During which years did the Pala dynasty rule eastern India in the post-Gupta period? Answer. c. 750 to 1174 CE. Question 9. Who established the Pushyabhuti dynasty in northern India during the post-Gupta transition? Answer. Adityavardhan, Harsha's father. Question 10. Who was the most influential ruler of the Pushyabhuti dynasty during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Harshvardhana, Harsha. Section 2. Politics and Administration. Question 11. What type of government structure was common in post-Gupta period kingdoms? Answer. Monarchy with regional governors. Question 12. Were the political systems of post-Gupta period kingdoms centralized like the Gupta Empire? Answer. No, they were less centralized with more autonomy for local rulers. Question 13. Which ruler unified large parts of northern India during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Harshvardhana. Question 14. What was the capital city of Harshvardhana's empire during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Kannauj. Question 15. Which eastern kingdom resisted Harsha's expansion during the post-Gupta period? Answer. The Gaudapala rulers of Bengal. Question 16. How was administration typically organized in kingdoms of the post-Gupta period? Answer. Provinces governed by officials under the king's supervision. Question 17. Were military campaigns frequent among rulers of the post-Gupta period? Answer. Yes, they were conducted for defense and expansion. Question 18. Did post-Gupta period kingdoms construct and maintain strategic forts? Answer. Yes, many forts were built for defense. Question 19. Did political diplomacy exist among kingdoms during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Yes, through alliances, marriages, and tribute systems. Question 20. How was law and order enforced in the kingdoms of the post-Gupta period? Answer. Local governors and village councils handled enforcement. Section 3. Economy. Question 21. What was the primary occupation of people during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Agriculture. Question 22. Which major crops were cultivated during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Rice, wheat, barley, sugarcane, and cotton. Question 23. Did coinage continue to be used in the economic system of the post-Gupta period? Answer. Yes, regional coins remained in circulation. Question 24. Was trade in the post-Gupta period limited or widely spread across regions? Answer. Both local and long-distance trade flourished. Question 25. With which foreign regions did India trade during the post-Gupta period? Answer. Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and China. Question 26. Were coastal ports important economic centers during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, especially along the eastern and western coasts. Question 27. Did handicrafts develop and expand during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, industries like pottery, textiles, and metalwork flourished. Question 28. Did urban centers grow during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, cities such as Kannauj, Patliputra, and Vallabhi expanded. Question 29. Did mining activities continue during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, extraction of iron, gold, and precious stones continued. Question 30. Were markets and fairs an important part of trade during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, they supported local and regional trade. Section 4. Society. Question 31. Was the Varna system still practiced during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, although society became more flexible. Question 32. What roles did women commonly perform in post-Gupta society? Answer: household work, trade, and cultural or religious patronage. Question 33. Were villages self-governing during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, village councils managed local issues. Question 34. What educational institutions existed during the post-Gupta period? Answer: Buddhist monasteries, gurukulas, and universities like Nalanda. Question 35. Was the population largely rural during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, though urban areas were also expanding. Question 36. Did any form of slavery or bonded labor exist during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, limited bonded labor was present. Question 37. Were caste distinctions rigid during the post-Gupta period? Answer: some mobility existed, especially in urban centers. Question 38. Did society during the post-Gupta period value arts and culture? Answer: yes, rulers and elites supported artistic development. Question 39. Did people migrate for work or trade during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, migration for commercial and craft activities was common. Question 40. Was local governance influential in everyday life during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, village and town councils played key roles. Section 5. Religion and culture. Question 41. Which religions were most prominent in northern India during the post-Gupta period? Answer: Buddhism and Hinduism. Question 42. Which religion was most dominant in Bengal and Bihar during the post-Gupta period? Answer: Buddhism, due to Pala patronage. Question 43. Which religions were supported by Western Indian rulers during the post-Gupta period? Answer: Hinduism and early Jainism. Question 44. Did Harshvardhana promote Buddhism during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, he supported monasteries and religious gatherings. Question 45. Were Buddhist monasteries major centers of learning in the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, especially institutions like Nalanda and Vikramshila. Question 46. Did literature flourish during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, Sanskrit poems, dramas, and Buddhist texts were produced. Question 47. Which famous poet wrote during Harsha's reign in the post-Gupta period? Answer: Banbhatta. Question 48. Did art and architecture flourish across India during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, stupas, temples, and sculptures flourished in many regions. Question 49. What happened to Gandhar art during the post-Gupta period? Answer: it declined, while Mathura and Bengal styles became more prominent. Question 50. Did rulers use religion to justify their authority during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, both Hindu and Buddhist rulers did so. Section 6. Decline and legacy. Question 51. Which invasions weakened several kingdoms during the post-Gupta period? Answer: Huna invasions. Question 52. Which major regional powers survived after other post-Gupta kingdoms declined? Answer: the Gurjara Pratiharas, Palas, and Rashtrakutas. Question 53. When did the empire of Harshvardhana collapse during the post-Gupta period? Answer: around 647 CE, after his death. Question 54. Which dynasty became dominant in northern India after Harsha's death during the post-Gupta era? Answer: the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Question 55. Did long-distance trade continue during and after the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, India remained active in Silk Road and maritime trade. Question 56. Did art and architecture remain thriving in different regions during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, regional styles in Bengal, Gujarat, and the Deccan flourished. Question 57. Did Buddhism decline during the later part of the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, in northern India, but it survived in eastern and Himalayan regions. Question 58. Did Hinduism continue to grow during the post-Gupta period? Answer: yes, especially through temple building and rituals. Question 59. Why is the post-Gupta period important in the history of India? Answer: it shaped the foundation of medieval Indian kingdoms and culture. Question 60. What is the long-lasting legacy of the post-Gupta period in Indian history? Answer: regional kingdoms, thriving trade, temples, monasteries, and literature that influenced later Indian civilization.